2017 Infiniti Q70 is a 5-seat luxury sedan that competes with the Audi A6, Audi A7, BMW 5 Series and Jaguar XF. It's available with a long wheelbase model. For 2017, the long wheelbase model gains a new option package. There are 3 engine choices: a 3.7-liter V6 that makes 330 horsepower, a 5.6-liter V8 that makes 420 horsepower, and a hybrid that combines a 3.5-liter V6 and an electric motor to make 360 total system horsepower. All have a 7-speed automatic transmission. The hybrid is rear-wheel drive. All other models are available with rear or all-wheel drive. EPA estimated fuel economy numbers for the hybrid are 29 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon, 1826 with the 3.7-liter V6, 1724 with all-wheel drive, and 1624 for the V8, 1623 with all-wheel drive. Significant available features include adaptive front lighting, fog lamps, leather seating, cooled front seats, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, premium audio system, Bluetooth, USB, satellite radio, smart cruise control, distance-based cruise control, navigation, keyless entry and push-button start. Available safety features include forward emergency braking, backup collision intervention, predictive forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, intelligent brake assist with forward collision control, stability control, traction control and dual front side and side curtain airbags.